Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly here, and today I am going to be showing you how to do a length check in JavaScript, so let's get right into it. So we're going to be doing useStrict, and we are going to be doing a console log statement. By the way, this is going to work on your website, your Unity game, whatever you're making, but I'm using a console application to show off this validation because it's quicker. So we're going to be doing console.log, a length check, name and a3. So we're going to be checking if a string length is greater than a particular value that we specify. So we'd be checking if name is greater than 3 characters long. If it is, we return true, otherwise we return a false. So let's go and define this function. So this is the function we're going to be doing. We are going to do function length check, input and size. So it's a function. It's going to be called length check. The first parameter is going to be the user input, or basically what we want to check the length of, and size is going to be the value that the length of our input has to be greater than. Then we do one line of code inside the function. We do return input.length is greater than size. So we're going to be returning if the size of our input, in terms of how many characters there are, is greater than the size that we specified. So if we did name and 3, it would be, okay, is the length of name, which is 4 greater than 3? It is, so we return a true to whatever we called the function. But let's say our size was 6, we'd be checking, right, is 4 greater than 6? No, it's not, so we return a false because the statement's not true. And that's it for this tutorial. So if you're doing a Node.js application, one extra thing you can do. We have a function here called keep console open. There's an eye up in the corner for a tutorial on what's going on here, but basically this is what we are doing to ensure that the program stays open so we can see the output. You do not need this, by the way, if you're on a website or making a game, but this is just for those on Node.js where the console would otherwise close straight away. So with that, we save our work and then hit play. And it says true. So let's try the 6th scenario that I just stated. And it says false. So thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Thanks for watching.